Looking for a reliable factory of PP rainwater storage modules? Watch our full auto injection production line. Raw materials are proportioned precisely, fully mixed and dried. The dried materials are automatically conveyed into the hopper of the injection molding machine. Pellets are melted into a homogeneous melt, then injected into custom molds under high pressure via the injection motor. Integrated molding molds for PP rainwater modules, equipped with built-in circulating cooling water channels for smooth demolding. Custom specifications and models are available. Molds are connected to a water chiller for circulating cooling. Hot PP materials cool rapidly and evenly, resulting in dimensionally stable products free from warpage or deformation. Once cooling finishes, the mold opens automatically. Robotic arms accurately retrieve finished parts for fully automated, time-efficient production. Full production parameters are adjustable, including molding temperature, injection pressure, injection speed, and cooling time, to precisely control the forming quality of every single product. Modules are manually inspected, then stacked on pallets. Only products passing strict dedicated testing are delivered to customers.